Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that market is right now trading at 1941. Yes, gold is bullish again. Gold is back on track. Okay, so things are very scary. Those who have a sell position on gold right now, as you can see that overall the setup of gold was very much bullish. Okay, but for the last couple of days we were not seeing heavy movements on a gold run. But again, we can see that gold is bullish because inflation is rising, and whenever there is a rise in inflation, gold is used as a hedging tool. Okay, so as a result, gold will be bullish for the next couple of days if we consider the inflation around the world. Though market failed to cross the 1950 mark, okay, as we expected that market will not be able to cross the 1950 mark. Yes, market could not break it, but I think that by today or tomorrow, if the bullishness continues in the market, अगर ये bullishness continue रहा, then market will break 1950 and market will be heading towards the 1980, 1975, 2000 mark again. So it is better to look for buying positions only, and especially if you're a beginner new to the market, then it is better to follow the trend of the market and look for buy positions only, because market has only one rule, and that is follow the trend. Okay, so let's discuss the levels one by one. First of all, 1950 level is still there or present in the market as resistance, 1950. But keep in mind, okay, next time when market will be going up again, okay, observe the market first. See, first time you have made profit, well and good, but next time there may be a breakout also, because the market is bullish and the fundamental factors are also pointing towards an upward direction. So around 1950 level, observe the market first. If you see same selling pressure again, then with proper or strict risk management, you can take a sell position, and if you do not want to take a sell position, you can skip that as well. If you see market breaking the 1950 level, let's say, let me take you to the 1 hour chart. Okay, see, this is the 1 hour chart here. If market breaks the 1950 level and starts going up, okay, then observe the market for some time. Okay, observe the market for 30 minutes, 1 hour, and see how the market is reacting. See, if you see candles with price rejection from above, or market is small green candles, that is a confirmation that market is struggling. But if the size of the candle is big enough, good enough, that is a confirmation that no, bulls are very much powerful, buyers are very much powerful, and they want to break the resistance, and then you can also go for buy, because 1950, okay, at any given point of time, at any time, market may break the level of 1950, so be careful. So what are the retracement levels then? Okay, if we consider the support here, okay, now let me remove the line here. Okay, so 1950 is there in the market. So the first support for the market, okay, for today, the first support for the market is 1934 level. 1934 level. If market comes down now, see, right now market is trading at 1941. If market comes down to 1934 level, 1935 level, observe the market. There is a possibility of market bouncing from here. If market bounces, well and good. If you see market trying to bounce here, if you see a candle here, a hammer pattern or bullish engulfing pattern, then you can go for buy. Okay, but if market fails, then 1930 is another level from where you can expect market to bounce. But I would like to mention one thing very clearly, that if you have observed the market recently, okay, this is very important. If you have observed the market recently, then you'll see that in the last couple of days, market is acting crazily. In fact, stop losses are getting hit very frequently. बहुत stop loss hit हो रहा है, okay, because market is very unpredictable, undecisive right now. So generally in this type of market condition, okay, it is better to avoid small levels, because see, all of us know that there are some very strong support, very strong resistance. There are some minor support and minor resistance. In this market condition, trusting on minor support and resistances are becoming very, very difficult, because market is easily breaking those level and hitting our stop losses. So it is better to trade on proper strong resistance and supports only. I was talking about 1934, 1935. Okay, if you have the experience, if you know how to tackle the market, then you can go for buy. But remember that this is not a strong level. This is not a strong level. So only buy when you get the confirmation. Then 1934 is another level from where you can expect a bounce. If market bounces from 1930 level, then also you can go for a buy as well. But keep in mind, these are not very strong levels, so use proper risk management. At least for next couple of days, you should mainly focus on protecting your money, not making too much money or huge money. Okay, because the capital protection is also very, very important, and most of you should remember it very clearly that, see, if your capital is the main weapon of a trader, so it's your duty to protect your hard-earned money as well. And the only good support that we have on a chart of gold right now is the trend line. Let me show you the trend line so that you can also draw it. See, this is the trend line we have. This is the forex chart. You can draw a beautiful trend line like this. The trend line is acting as the dynamic resistance support in the market. So you can draw a trend line. So if market comes down to the 1920 level, around 1920 level, and bounces, you can go for a buy as well. And the next strong support is 1911 and 1895. These two are the very strong support in the market. This is the strongest support. But right now there is a possibility that market fail to break our 1950 resistance, but it may break it as well. So there are many levels in the market, but if possible, try to trade on the stronger levels only. Okay, and my dear friends, as you all know that I'm on a mission right now to spread knowledge, where I have launched the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to learn, if you really want to take trading as a profession, serious side income, then you can join the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. You will find all the information here. Okay, and if you are looking for proper guidance in the market, if you really want to take trading as a career, then see, I have also launched the Pro Trader Career Program. Okay, where you can learn, trade, and earn. And or if you're someone who does not have time to take up trading as a career, or if you are simply looking for signals also, then you can join the Pro Trader Lite program, where I provide signals for just $2, simply $2 per month. This is the world's cheapest signal, I believe so. Okay, so that's it. Be careful, and market is very undecisive right now. So use proper risk management, because best of the best trade setups are failing right now. So be careful. Bye bye. Take care.